guys, good morning, happy Sunday. I really hope all of you guys are doing fine. So today's video I want to make a what I eat in a day, or what we eat in a day as a family. So I'm gonna take you guys along through the day, and we have a couple things to do today, so I'm gonna show you guys the things that we eat and how we make them. I hope you guys enjoy. And
everybody's climbing, trying to get to the show. Life is money, and you're just a hoe. Don't take it personal, I'm talking about me too. What else should we do? What else should we do?
so for breakfast it's different every single day, but for today Emma decided that she wanted to eat a hard-boiled egg and a hot dog, and that's what I gave her. She actually helped me to put it together. But I forgot to film it when she was putting everything in the stove. But yeah, this is what she wanted to eat today, and that's what I gave her, with a bottle of water. And I think after that she ate, it was either grapes or strawberries, but she also eats fruit with her breakfast. And I just had the same as her every single day.
Everybody's driving all the way to nowhere. No time left, we're dying.
Ven acá. ¿Quieres? ¿Qué quieres? ¿Este? ¿O quieres este? ¿Cuál quieres? ¿Este o este? ¿Qué jugo quieres? ¿Quieres tomarte este o quieres tomar este? ¿No vas a tomar nada? Agua.
What else should we do?
Vente.
But I gotta admit, it feels so good, like a sugar sweet kiss, skin soft and smooth. I'm talking about money. I'm talking about money. You know you like it too. You know you like it too.
So for lunch we wanted to keep it simple because we had to go away for the rest of the day, but we also wanted it to be something really filling. So I ended up making some white rice and some chicken, and that's what we ate. It was delicious. I know it doesn't look that good in the way that I put it, but I don't have any fancy plates to show you guys, and I do not know how to decorate food and anything, so but this is what we ate, and trust me, it was delicious. haces? Deja verte. ¿Quién te echó lipstick? Oh, hiciste un reguero en la cartera de mami. Deja ver tu maquillaje. ¿Puedo ver tu maquillaje? ¿Quién te maquilló? ¿Qué pasa? ¿Quién te maquilló? Usually when I'm cooking in the meantime while the meals are getting done, I like to go ahead and either I had a chore to do or I like to go ahead and play with my daughter. So today she decided that she wanted to do a makeover on me, so I let her. Honestly, I don't really have a problem. The only makeup that I leave where she can take her makeup that I don't mind for her touching. If I have anything that it's really important to me, or that I know that it is kind of expensive, I will not leave it anywhere near her. But anything that is that she can reach, actually, it's because I don't really mind if she uses it to play. But yeah, so I just waited 10 minutes. I went ahead and stirred the rice, then I cover it, I turned the heat down, and I waited 10 more minutes, and the rice was already done. It's super simple, it's super quick. And for the chicken, it's even simpler since this was it didn't have any bones. It kind of cooks faster, I think. So I just waited for the potatoes to be really soft, and yeah, that's all I did. It took me like 30 minutes or maybe even 20, I don't know. But like I said, it was delicious, and I know that it doesn't seem that way here, but it was. So that's gonna be it for the video. For dinner, we actually ate at my mom's house, and I didn't film it because I did not want to be rude, but that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.